Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the Muviz Edge application, and now we have selected this one, I think. So we just can switch another, just switch the AOD temp to another one. Just for example, I'll go with this one. We can swatch here the backgrounds of this feature. For example, let's use this one. We can hide music control now after 30 seconds. We can switch it to the 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can turn on or turn off the incoming notifications from different applications. We can show the date or we can turn it off. Also the same way we can switch the battery status to show it always while they were charging or just to don't show it. So let's just click here to X icon, go to the settings section, on top to the AOD. We can switch, also change the showing time on the lock screen of AOD always while they were charging when we play the music, or also we can switch these two features. We can use them separately. We can also change the screen time mode from 1 minute to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level, and we can close the AOD by double tap or by single tap on the lock screen. Also, if you set up the fingerprint to the scanner, you can close the AOD with your fingerprint. Also, we can set a schedule here, so we can set the start and the end time of the always on display. And that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Motorola device. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.